Hello, welcome back to this channel. My name is Peter. I'm glad to have you here. In this short video, I'll be talking about how to draw your trend line effectively. So let's get to work. How do we draw trend line and why does it really work? Looking at few things that we do in the market, the lines, the support, the resistance, the key levels, all the stuff we use to predict, to analyze, and to evaluate the market. Now, one of the most common part of it is the trend line. So, how does the trend line work? Is connecting the highs and the lows, or the lows of the market in such a way that you can predict the next high or the next low. Is that simple? So, for example, look at this. So if I draw this like this, I just connected this high, and this high. So how you get to use this tool and how it get to work for you depends on your consistency and your trust in it. Generally speaking, the trend line is a self-fulfilling prophecy. What does that mean? It means that it works because a good number of us believe that it works. That's all. It's that simple. Any other thing is just extended definition or so. It works simply because most of the traders in the market believes that it works, and that's just what it is. So the question has always been between how do I draw my trend line? Should it be on the body? Should it be on the wick? Now, for me, I love to put it on the wick, and sometimes it might just be on one of the bodies of the point. So, but then basically, I love to target the wicks because it put me in a very safe position to watch out for price. So this is how I draw my trend line. This is how I draw it. I put it on the wicks and I wait for market to get to it. So look at this as well now. So I can as well adjust this. So, and one of the things that makes drawing trend line good is the fact that you can get to predict the highs and low of the market. In this case, you can see the case of this channel. I have my trend line at the top and at the bottom, so I could see where price left here. I could to an extent tell where it's going next, which was on this trend line, and then when it's left, now it's currently leaving here, left here, so I can as well predict that the market is likely just heading here, and then after that, until price decides to break out of this channel, I know that this is what will keep happening until price decides to break out of the channel. So it helps to outside other things that determines that you're using to analyze. This is a good one to help also solidify your trade decision and all of that. So if you are contemplating between putting it on the wicks, putting it on the body, I would advise that you go for the wicks. So let your lines be on the wicks. So how do you confirm a trend line, a channel or something? Once you have 2 points in the market, so 2 highs, 2 lows, 2 highs, you have a point already. So if you had drawn this before all of this formed, you will have been able to easily accurately predict this. So just like I was able to predict this from just these 2 lines, these 2 points. So that's how it works. It's simple, but you have to build your confidence using it. So thank you for watching this video. If you gain value from this video, kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel and also enable the notification bell so that you can get alerted when great content like this when I drop great content like this. Look at this, for example. This trend line has been broken, as you can see, broken, and then if I'm watching out for a trade, I might actually wait for a retest. If that has not even happened, let's go to H1. So this is a retest already. It happened already. So This is a trend line, and as well we can as well look out for, if possible, to draw one in this current trend that is currently forming. So just keep at it, and then you try to make sure that you build confidence around what you are doing. Like I love to say, knowing all the tools is not really what gives you money in the market. It's the mastery you have of the one you have of the one you know. I know people that are understood, that know about key levels, trend line, Fibonacci, candlestick confirmation, name all of it, and yes, still not profitable. So it's not about those things. It's about the mastery you've been able to build based on what you know. So, and there, just like there are other people that the only thing they know is key levels, support and resistance, and they are making a kill in the market. So sit down and master whatever it is you think is working for you, and then you'll be glad you did. Thank you for watching once again. See you in the next video.